In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Google Gemini for daily planning, and this is exactly how I plan my days. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is start off by setting your intentions. You want to start your day with clarity. You need to understand exactly what you want to do. So what you can do is simply go ahead and ask it, like, help me set clear intentions for today based on my goals and priorities, and let it know about your goals. As you can see, it will say something like focus on high impact work, make progress on project X, take care of my well-being, and many, many more. You can also have a powerful prompt ideas for daily planning right down here. So help me plan a productive and balanced day. Create a schedule for deep work, meeting, and breaks. What are the three most important tasks I should do today? Remind me to take breaks and stay hydrated. Help me, and many, many more right over here. Now, the second thing you want to do is plan your top priorities, identify what matters the most, and you want to simply go ahead and write it down. So you can also ask Gemini if you want to, what are the three most important things I should focus on today? And it will go ahead and give you the list that you want to simply go ahead and create a time block schedule on. Build a realistic daily schedule. You can also ask it to create a time block schedule for today, including breaks and focus time, and it will give you your entire day planned. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and add reminders and to-do. So turn your plans into action. You can simply go ahead and create a to-do list with reminders for your priorities and have it on your Google. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and prepare for challenges and anticipate roadblocks. You can ask Gemini what challenges might I face today and how I can handle them. It will go ahead and tell you all the ways you can go ahead and handle, for example, distraction, overwhelming, time overrun, and low energy right over here. You can also go ahead and ask it a midday check-in. So stay on track and adjust, so you can help it or ask it, help me review my progress and adjust my plan for the rest of the day, and it will go ahead and help you go ahead and do so. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.